This outstanding heat pump tumble dryer from Miele is perfect for those looking for a first-class model with amazing features. It has an A++ energy rating and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for the best drying results. And it's been specially designed to last for 20 years, so it's ideal if you want exceptional build quality. This model has Perfect Dry technology, which is a fantastic feature that dries your clothes with care and precision. Clever sensors not only detect how much moisture is in your clothes, but they also measure how soft or hard the water being extracted from the fabrics is. The dryer then adjusts the drying time and temperature to suit each load, giving more accurate drying results than conventional tumble dryers. This means your favourite outfits are always protected, and you'll get to save on your utility bills too. Miele's Fragrance Dose is a capsule that has been specially designed to enhance the scent of your laundry. Simply open the door, place the capsule into the fluff filter, and adjust the dial to alter the intensity. The scent will be released into the drum, enveloping your clothes for up to 50 cycles. So, you can enjoy beautifully smelling laundry, tumble after tumble, with fragrances that last up to 4 weeks. If you're looking for a first-class heat pump tumble dryer with amazing features, this outstanding model from Miele is the perfect choice.